What's up, guys? Today I just received a package from USPS and it came from Level7Performance, and these are the first production for the adapter for a catch gun setup that goes in the K-series oil cap. So we're gonna unbox it right now, and it came with two boxes. So first one and the second one. This one is the adapter. Let's see. It's the adapter that goes like this, probably. I'm just guessing. So let's see. Unbox the other. Got some instructions here and sticker. Some gaskets. The product itself. There we go. And some fittings. Alright, there we go. So we just opened the instructions, and those are the parts. You have the cap, the O-ring, the fitting, everything. Alright, so first we need to assemble the adapters and O-ring and shit. Second, mount the fitting. Third, mount the bracket into this. And lastly, finish. Back to the video. I just finished inserting the gaskets inside here and the gasket here, and put the screws here. So we got the oil cap here. It has holes in it. Plug it here. And the fittings. It comes with the O-ring. These just need to get tightened up. There we go. Got the full setup. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.